56 degrees at this moment in time. Winds gusting around the region up to 36 miles per hour in Hamptons, 37 in Brick. Lesser winds inland. And again, as we make our way through the next couple of days, this is really going to be a system that impacts the coast with those continually crushing winds, pushing water over land, leading to coastal flooding and beach erosion. Something we'll be watching. Right now, it looks like at least through Tuesday, we'll be dealing with this. Wind advisory in effect right now for both Monmouth and Ocean counties until midnight. This could be extended tomorrow, but winds will gust up to 50 miles per hour in this region. Along the entirety of our coastlines, though, expect the possibility of winds gusting up to 40 miles per hour. As far as coastal flooding is concerned, this is an event that's possible through Tuesday. Most likely we'll see continued high tide flooding in Ocean County through Tuesday. Everywhere else you see highlighted in green, this is essentially through tomorrow as of right now. We are looking at anywhere from, say, a half a foot where you see the coastal flood statement along the Connecticut coastline down into the city, the north shore of the island. This would be a half a foot of inundation where you see the brighter green, the coastal flood advisory. That's about a foot to a foot and a half. But where we see the coastal flood warning for Ocean County, here we could see over 2 feet of inundation at times of high tide. And again, it's those powerful winds pushing water over land leading to this challenge. I said earlier how the rain has really been isolated essentially to southern points of the city. Here we see this is an estimated rainfall grid from the past 12 hours. Where you see the lighter blues, those are the lower numbers, and in the green, this is where more significant rain has fallen, about 1.5 inches. Generally, 1/4 inch to up to that 1.5 inch mark is what we've gotten today over the past 12 hours. And more rain to come as the remnants of Ian continue to wrap around the region. Heaviest rainfall still to the south right now. A few spotty showers across the island. Some showers reaching well into the northwestern sections of New Jersey as well. Bigger picture reveals, that we're still dealing with this, and it will be a couple of days before we can really say goodbye and high pressure fully takes control of the situation. Hour by hour, let's roll through the forecast. 11 o'clock, still wet weather to the south, a few showers streaming on the south edge of the island. As we roll into your Monday morning, it is persistent light to moderate rainfall to the south, but drier skies to the north, even brightening skies to the north for your Monday afternoon. As we get into Tuesday, this is when the situation turns more ugly for more of us. As this storm system begins to pull back in toward land, we see another influx of rain for more of us, and we could really see some torrential rain south of the city. You see these points here. There's the possibility that into Tuesday we could see up to 3 inches for portions of Monmouth and Ocean County out of the system. And again, the winds will stay powerful through then as well. For tonight, we're going to bottom out at 49. Temperatures are dropping even more. Mostly cloudy, again, some showers, especially south and east of the city, and those winds continue to crank. For your Monday, it's another situation where it's going to be a mainly cloudy day for most of us. A little more sun to the north, 59 your high, windy conditions, showers mainly to the south and east of the city. And again, that coastal flood possibility for many through tomorrow during high tide. As we look at your 7-day forecast, what you'll note is that it takes a little time, but we will return to sunshine and calmer conditions. For tomorrow, windy and wet again, 59. For Tuesday, 60 degrees. This looks even more soggy and still very windy than it did yesterday. Wednesday, 64, clearing conditions. We're going to settle those winds a bit, and then we're going to return to where we should be, right around the 70-degree mark. 73 with sun on Thursday. Friday, 68 and mostly sunny. Next weekend looking cool, but at least the sun will stick around then. Jessica, back to you.
Well, 48 low on Saturday. That's crazy.
Yeah, tomorrow 49. It's going to be damp and dreary. So
yeah,
not feeling good out there in the near future.
All right. Thank you, Vanessa.